Yo, what's up everybody? Today's travel vlog. I'm flying to Banff in Alberta, Canada actually. So cool. I'm gonna show you airport little bit and the journey by Air Canada today. This is inside the domestic terminal actually. Yeah, it's a bit different. They have a still pay phones here by Bell. That's actually very interesting. Show you a little bit inside the domestic terminal. There is like a police station just in case. Overall, this is how does it look like here. Very interesting actually. There is the sign of Air Canada. Yeah, I like this one. We are flying by Air Canada today. Not too busy, not too quiet, just moderate situation at the airport. We are flying Air Canada, legendary airline in Canada. Every Canadian should know why it's so legendary. For me, doesn't really matter, it's the first time experience. They even have a machine here where you can print on the lot. That's what I'm gonna film later on. Alright, I'm in the lounge. We'll show you a little bit. And then waiting for the flight. Hope so it's not gonna be delayed or cancelled. Hope so. And that's the lounge. There's the bar. I'm sitting by the bar. There's the sittings like this one. They have some cookies, some bread, of course, French fries, or pretzels, chicken, meatballs, and what is it? Rice and noodles. Coffee, some fruits, cakes, coke, and coffee of course. Yes, after my lunch, full ready to fly. That's the Canadian airport in Toronto, domestic terminal, flying by Air Canada to the Calgary and then going by car to Banff. But I still show you the airport a little bit. My gate is 41 and the flight is on time. Air Canada, so cool. That's the main hall here in airport, Toronto, domestic. That's how does it look like. Basically you can have some options with the food here if you don't want to go to the lounge. And then basically wanted to show you because they're having a Genesis cars here. I'm not sure where else they're selling Genesis, but they have it here. I think it's electric. And yeah, basically this is it. Going to the gate number 41, so there, that direction. You are in domestic terminal 1 Canada, so cool. Okay, and CIBC, I thought at the beginning a CIMBC when I arrived in Canada. ATM giving you 4 different currencies: Canadian, American, euros and pound sterling, and the big can of the Red Bull. Some shops, regular stuff. This is domestic terminal, so Blue Jays, Toronto, must to be. This is it. That's how does it look like in Canadian airports. And flying today Air Canada, like this one. That's the plane, and that's the situation outside. It's gonna be dark, so I'm filming from this spot before it's too dark. There must be somewhere the iStore or any place where you can buy the iPhone, and of course we are in Canada, so must be legendary Tim Horton and their double. But after that also different places. Oh, poutine, you can buy poutine here at the airport if you want and stuff. This is like an end corner of the airport. My gate is there in the corner, so cool. Maybe I'm gonna show you. Starbucks of course must to be as well. But I'm trying to show you some nice view of the planes. And then there is some more nice views of Air Canada, different livery. We are flying the black one, like over there in the background, but this one is like a little greenish. Trying to show you and catch as much as possible. But yeah, this is what I can make it cool. From here is actually also nice view, like this one, of the runway. Nearly on the runway actually. That's the taxi and that's the nice plane. Just a little bit of view, and the British Airways at the background. Boarding time now, Calgary. Boarding time. Let's see. That's the tunnel without the windows actually. Boarding to Air Canada. And that's how does it look like inside Air Canada. This is A320 or 737 actually. I didn't have a look, but this is how does it look like. And my seat is 20F today, emergency row, of course, plenty of legroom. Alright, so we are on board. What's the plane number? What's the plane number? 737 Max, and that's my friend. Here, there, they shy a little bit, you know. But we are going to Banff, actually to Calgary and then to Banff. Quick review of the plane in Air Canada. Sitting on 20F, which is emergency exit. Here you go, the view from outside, another plane of Air Canada, and we have a wing with the new livery. Air Canada, like this one, red leaf on the black background. Plane is actually pretty decent, I'm gonna tell you. Nice, clean, full board today. a lot of room for the legs, basically. Actually, really a lot. This is just emergency exit, but it's cool. A lot of room, 20F, and yeah, so scared. Scared of what? I don't know. Stress. What language you choose?
Deutschland.
Deutsch. Yeah, and that's the multimedia. Actually, a lot of languages, but no Polish on it. No. It's funny. It's funny. Now I have to reset this somehow, somewhere. But either way, yeah, I will come back. And overall, that's the multimedia system. Of course, there will be some movies. Asteroid City, that's a great movie to watch during the flight. Actually, new releases. Let's see what they have. Fast X, that's actually cool. The newest Fast and Furious. Avatar, that was actually, and this one that was on the lot and the Singapore, Qatar actually. No John Wick, but I watched. This is John Wick. So basically, it's not that bad. And yeah, the boarding is on process. Actually, it's full. There's the business class at the front, and that's the last view. Will be night flight. Unfortunately, not that much I can show you, but overall cool. I'm so happy with so much space actually for the legs. Also gonna show you the menu here, what you can have on board. I'm running out of material today, so you can get yourself breakfast. That's the prices. First up, flying by Air Canada, so I'm gonna show you meals like this one. You can actually get yourself the cheese platter here. That's interesting. And the credit cards. Actually, in America they have a good programs with their credit cards, though. And the snacks, that's the prices actually. So yeah, that's it. Oh, and that's probably the most interesting part for many of the travelers here. Here we go, guys. So the situation is here, as the map is here, but it doesn't work the full screen for some reason. But here it's working. Here we go, just landed in Calgary in Alberta. Gonna get a car and we're gonna go to Banff. But it's already 9 p.m. It's 2 hours change time to Toronto. So, well, we're gonna see the most things tomorrow. That's the fancy looking elevator here with the touch screen, and then you choose which company you rent the car. Cool. It's time for some mountains vibes. Cool. Let's see what we can find here. Overall, that's the situation at the airport. Enterprise Avis Hearts. That's the thing. Alright, and we have like 147, 150 kilometers to Banff. And that's the Calgary airport actually. Not that much we're gonna show you. Tomorrow will be another day. That's just the situation.
To what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again. Driving is like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. Neon lights in the fast lane life, riding high, reaching for the sky. I had it all but lost and fell back down again. Spent my time playing the game, where every single day was a losing battle and every drink was a dead end.
Alright guys, it's already a little bit late night, so I'm not gonna film anything anymore. That was the way to Banff. We're gonna stay here for 3 nights, 2 whole days. So starting from tomorrow, I'm gonna show you something cool, because Banff in general, it's a really cool place. A lot of mountains, beautiful landmarks, and overall the landscapes, mountainish view. It's already cold. Even we arrived, it was -1 degree, so that's gonna be also interesting. Hotel and everything I will show you in the next upcoming days. That was just a short trip. Well, actually that was not really short trip, but 3.5 hour, but a kind of short trip anyway. Thanks so much. I will see you tomorrow. See ya.